Mount your camera on a tripod. You can use portrait mode. After that, you record an empty background for a few seconds. You walk in. What you need to do here is just to stand for some few seconds. Then you can now start pointing your head. Okay, after a few seconds, you can bring up your hand. Then you start pointing your head. You can point your head for some few seconds also, or some few minutes. All right. Then after which, now the next thing you are going to be doing is to shake your head. All right, you just shake your head. After shaking your head, you can now do a thumbs up or anything. Then you can now walk out. All right, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Guys, welcome as we create another amazing video together. At this point, you are clicking on CapCut. You click on new project here. Import your video to workspace, guys. Import it. This is how it look like. Look at that volume sign there. You click it as we silence the volume. Then you come here and click on the video as we need an empty background for this video. Locate freeze. Click on freeze now. Click on this first part here, then you delete it as we don't need it again. Click on this second part. Look for overlay. Look for overlay. You overlay it. Click on the background. Drag it to the duration of your video. Then you come back now. Then you are going to be clicking the video to take it to the beginning. Then you come and click it to expound it so that you position it the way you want it to be. Expound it, position it the way you want to be. Then after which you locate where you want this video to start from. All right, so look for where you want the video to start from. From somewhere here, you click here now. Make a split and delete the first part as we don't need it again. Click this one and take it to the beginning of the video. So the next thing now is to go to the ending part of the video so that we remove the unwanted part there as well. Go to the ending part. From here, before you go out, click and trim this place. Trim it. After trimming it, you are coming back here now. You click on the video and go and look for remove BG. Locate remove BG, guys. Click on remove BG auto removal. Then you allow it to remove completely. As you can see, that is applying. Okay, exercise patient. But guys, tell us your opinion about this video. What magic effect would you like us to be creating next? Drop them at the comment section. You love this video, you love what we are doing, smash your like. But if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Welcome back to the tutorial. Look at the remove completely, mark on this good, then you go back. So before your hand comes up, all right, we are going to be clicking here to make a split. All right, then you go and locate the place where you shake your head. Before you shook your head, you are going to be clicking again to make another split somewhere here. Make a split here. Then you go back now. You are going to locate that place where you splitted. Click it and go and look for mask. Guys, go and look for mask. All right, locate mask. Click on mask here. Click on horizontal. Then you drag the line up. All right. You want to cut your head now. Make sure your line is straight. Do your necessary adjustments, and after doing your adjustments, you mark on this good. Then you go back. Then you are going to be screenshotting this place. Screenshot. You click it and resize. Cropple it. Cropple your head that you screenshot. Cropple it. Come down and do your cropping. Then you mark on done here. Click on done. Click on done. You save to photos. So the next thing is to click on that mask again. Click on the mask. Then you turn this your line the other way around. Turn the line to reveal the main body. Review the main body. Make sure this your line is straight, guys. Make sure your line is straight. After which you click on that good, then you go back. You are marking anywhere now. Come back to the head part. This is how it's going to be. Then you mark anywhere now and click on add overlay. click on photos, guys, bring in this your head that you just cropped and save. You go and look for remove BG, click on remove BG auto removal. Now it has removed completely. Mark on this good, you go back, then you crumple it and take it up to your head. All right, go and mash it, make sure they align. After aligning it, you click it and locate that place where you splitted before you shook your head. Make sure you place it there. All right, then you come back and make sure that this one aligned too. The next thing is to add your keyframe. Then you adjust it a little bit, then you push out the head. As you are adjusting the video, you are pushing the head to whatever position you like. As you are adjusting it and pushing the head, the key will be adding automatically. All right, just be adjusting it and take the head to your preferable place. The head you cut out, take it to your preferable place, after which now we are going to be playing it to see what we have got. Good, this is nice. So from this place where the last key is, then click anywhere. Now you click on add overlay video. Now bring in this your snake, green screen snake. Go and look for remove BG. All right, locate remove BG, click on remove BG, guys. Click on chroma key, you drag it, you mark on this good and go back. Click it again and locate adjust. Click on adjust here, look for HSL. Click on HSL, you mark on this green, you reduce saturation to 100%. Mark on that good, you go back. Locate the part of the snake where you want to use. Click here and make a split. Delete the first part. All right, so at this point you click this one and drag it to that last key. Where the last key stop, that is where you are going to be stopping it. Then after adjusting it, now the next thing is to push this your head up. All right, then you go and make sure that the head is the way you want it to be. Make sure that when you place the head on the serpent or snake on top of your head, that it will be showing. So do your measurement. After doing the whole measurement, you can see what I am doing. When you have gotten the size you want, all right, if you have gotten your perfect size, then you are going to be dragging the serpent down or the snake down, but get your perfect size first. All right, after you get your perfect size, then you are going to be dragging the snake down. All right, so drag the snake down. After dragging it down, you are going to add keyframe there. All right, then you start adjusting it again and pushing the snake up. You adjust your green screen, you push the snake up. All right, just do it like that until you bring the snake to the perfect where you want it to be on top of your head. All right, so you are adjusting it, you are bringing it up, the key will be adding automatically. After you bring it up to your head, now you position it. We are still going to be playing it to see what we have got. Then you play it, look at what we have got. Good. So you click on this green screen serpent and go and look for layer. Let us hide that snake. You can see it does not align, so go and look for layer. Click on layer, click on that arrow. You can see now, mark on that good and go back. You can see now that the snake is now inside your head. Look at it, it's coming out from inside your head now. So this is nice. But the next thing we are going to be doing now is to duplicate this green screen. All right, so you are going to be clicking on this green screen now, look for duplicate. Let's duplicate it. Look, click on duplicate now. Then you trim out all these keys, trim them out. Then you click it and bring it to align with this one. All right, after the whole adjustment, now you still click this one and look for layer. Also look for layer again, guys. Click on layer, still click this arrow to hide the snake like we did before. You mark on that good and go back. So at this point now, the next thing we are going to be doing is just allow it to play from this point. No, come back a little bit, add keyframe to this serpent. Then you are still adjusting it to drag the serpent down. Put the serpent back into your head. So as you are adjusting it, you are dragging the serpent or the snake down. You are adjusting it and the key will be adding automatically. You are dragging the snake down, drag it down inside your head. It means that the snake is entering back inside your head. After dragging it back now, you come to the head layer, and still add key to the head layer. Add key to the head layer, you adjust it, you start dragging the half head up. Drag the half head up, okay? Drag the half head up until you go and use it to cover or align it the way it should be. You are dragging the half head. Look at what I am doing. Follow what I am doing so that I will not make mistake. All right, then you place it. Do it, make it look good. After which now we are going to play it to see what we have got, so that in case if there is any mistake, we quickly make amendments and correct our errors. Look at it, just calm down and play it. But this is good for me. I am sure that this video is ready, but let's play it in case if there is any error. All right, just take time and watch it. This is very fantastic. You can try this at the comfort of your home. So what we are going to be doing now is to go and remove the unwanted part. As you can see that the background is too long, so click and make a split. You delete that last part and trim it to be equal. So after that, we are going to be playing this video from the beginning. But remember to add your sound effect, your light effect, every other effect. After that, you export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add whether my sound effect to any effect. I want you to put me through. Don't worry, at the description of this video my number is there. VM me, then I'm going to put you through on how to add your necessary effects and your sound. And after that, you export your video to your gallery. If you need that serpent or snake green screen, DM me, I'm going to send it to you. Then after that, you click on export now, then you export this video to your gallery. Now this video I've installed in your gallery, you can now share it to your social media handles. But guys, tell us your opinion about this video. What magic effect would you like us to be creating next? Drop them at the comment section. If you love this video, you love what we are doing, smash your like button. All right, locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. If you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. See you in our next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.